Basmati rice comes from India or Pakistan. It is a fragrant rice. It is slightly fragrant and its grains are fine and long. I show you the method of cooking by absorption of all the water. It is therefore necessary to precisely dose the water and pay attention to the fire. For 4 people, you will need 400 grams of rice and 75 centiliters of water. You can find these details and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Wash the rice 3 times to remove the starch. Once cooked, the rice will be fluffy. Drain the rice. Pour the rice in a saucepan. Add the water. Spread well the rice. Put a lid with a steam hole. Cook the rice for 12 minutes. First, cook over medium heat. When the rice starts to boil, put on low heat. Never stir the rice while cooking. After 12 minutes, the water is completely absorbed. Cut off the fire. Let the rice rest for 30 minutes. It will be less wet. Air the rice before serving. Your perfect and fluffy basmati rice is ready. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.